Hello guys and gals, fellow YouTubers. What we have here is from Sienci Designs out in California. This is the auto dust boot for the Altmill. So I got this early. I got a couple weeks before my Altmill gets here, and I'm just starting to get some things in, so I thought I'd bring you guys along here for the ride. Show you kind of what kind of things we're getting and how they come when we get them. There doesn't seem to be a lot of things on the internet or on YouTube about these kinds of things, and I'm kind of partial to my Altmill setup that I'm going to have here with the auto dust boot from Sienci Designs and the RapidChange ATC. And those guys, I believe they're down in Alabama. Those guys. So, some packaging material here. I mean, you can't have an automatic tool changer without an automatic dust boot, right? I mean, come on. I thought about it after I got the ATC and thought, well, geez, I'm not going to be able to have dust collection. I'm going to have to stop it every time to take off my dust collection so that it can do its thing. And I stumbled across this guy making these, and I thought, wow, that's great. And he has a good website, which I will link to the video so that you guys can put these things together. So I'm going to bring you guys along with my whole journey here over the next several months or longer, if you want me to keep on going, so that we can put together a pretty awesome, robust hobbyist machine. In my opinion, it's going to be the best setup that money can buy today. So the website for this is http://www.franciscreation.com. This is order number 68 from him, and it was auto dust boot for the Altmill. It's a pre-order. It only took me a couple weeks to get it. I just got it, I think yesterday was April 24th. This has April 17th of a date when he printed this. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7 days from the time he printed this. That's probably the shipping and doing all of that. So it probably took him a week to put this together and ship it out, get it out to me. So $354 is what this costs. Kind of pricey, but for what it's going to do is going to be pretty amazing and save me that money in no time. So $12 for shipping, total of $366, and there was no tax. That was including all the tax when I ordered it. So that was pretty nice. So let's see what we got here. Doesn't appear to be any damage of any kind. That's it for packaging. So pretty simple design here, and this is all 3D printed by him, so you can see, if I can get you in a glare here a little bit, you can kind of see the lines in here from the 3D printer. But you know, this is solid. It's nice and light, but it seems nice and heavy duty. It's got magnets on here to attach this. These bristles here are much softer than the dust boot that comes with the Altmill. So I actually ordered a dust boot from the Altmill for my current CNC, which I have a Next Wave Shark HD3 CNC that I run now. My dad had that previously and gave that to me a couple years ago, and I've been running it into the ground. I just love it. So these are nice and soft. So this is pretty cool. You got a cable here and some screws, so we can attach this into our control board and route it through our drag chains and all of that. Mounting hardware, you got some ball bearings in here. So I'm not going to be doing an assembly, obviously, to the Altmill because I don't have the Altmill yet. And here you have your main body, which this is pretty nice here. This is all very, very high quality. There is no burrs It's all very, very high quality for 3D printed stuff. This is his logo, I believe, on here. And it's got some double click features, got some electronics in here. If you go to FrancisCreation's YouTube, you can kind of see all of his stuff that he has. I believe it sits this way. And then this kind of sits, I guess I don't even know really how it goes, but it's got a pretty good, you know, it's not a huge size channel in here for the dust to get in there. But we'll see how it does and how it performs. But as far as being a 3D printed part, the good thing is it's light, but it seems very strong and sturdy. I mean, for a 3D printed part, it was expensive, but it's automatic, fully automated. So this is going to make this fully automated with the dust boot, the RapidChange ATC to change all my bits, and I should be able to hit go when I do one. And I think my cribbage boards that I do take about 6 or 7 bits, and I bought the 8-place ATC, so I should be able to hit go and it should do the whole thing without having to change bits myself manually anymore. And I'll have full dust collection as well. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what else you guys want to know about this thing. There will be more to come, so if you like what we got going on here, feel free to subscribe and follow me along on this journey. Once we get the Altmill, we'll be tearing down the Shark and moving that. I'm going to keep it. We're going to keep running it and get the Altmill set up. I'll have you the whole journey for the Altmill setup, all the testing, all kinds of runs. I'm going to do full wiring on how to wire this stuff up, how to program it. I'm just a normal guy, just like everybody else, just trying to do what I love. Part-time hobbyer. Here I work full-time for another company, and I'd love to live the American dream and do this full-time, but you know how it is. It's hard to make it go. So this is going to help propel me into the future here and hopefully make some really cool stuff and save some time and efficiency. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Give me some comments, give me some feedback. I will read all the comments. I will reply to all the comments, good, bad, or indifferent. And this is the second video I have ever done. So I'm sure I'm not doing a perfect job, but feel free to critique me, tell me what I'm doing wrong. I will work on doing better and try to get you guys informed and let you know how things are and how things hold up here. So, auto dust boot. Here it is. Talk to you guys soon. Later.